Here's a C5 to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Now, as far as color-wise, yes, Le Mans blue. If you're a blue fan. Great looking Corvette. And of course, this would be the commemorative edition from when the C5R car won the Le Mans Grand Touring Sport class. And actually, its sister car finished in second place. So they did a little commemorative edition with the C5 being the last year of production in 04. Before the C6s came out, painted her up in Le Mans blue. Very cool car. Shale interior with the shale convertible top. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, extremely clean. Check out the engine bay, interior trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let you take a good look at the nose cone. This car has, a little over 46,000 miles it is, I believe. We'll take a look at the odometer when we get around there. So you're going to have a few spots where there is a little bit of touch-up paint. Previous owner's taken care of. It's a tiny little scratch there that's been touched up. So you do have a few little touch-up spots on it, but you can tell it's well taken care of. Adult-owned and driven, of course. The polished aluminum wheels, I believe, were a standard feature on the commemorative car and an option on the other Corvettes in 04. Underneath the hood, of course, that 350 horse LS1 V8 power, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, 4-speed. Sorry about the glare there a little bit on these darker colors. It's a little bit tougher. Get a nice shine coming off there and it wants to glare sometimes in the videos and pictures. Again, shale interior. This one does have the windscreen I put on so you can see it pictured. Easily comes off when the tonneau cover is popped up. There's two brackets that go in. It is a piece of cake to put on and off. Of course, leather interior, power seats both sides, dual climate control. This one does have HUD, or the heads-up display, AM, FM, CD, both stereo, and of course that automatic transmission shifter on the floor, or center console, if you will. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also included in the sale is the case for that windscreen, the Corvette insignia on that behind it. That is like a foam protective piece, I believe, that goes in that case when you put the windscreen in there. And the original floor mats, it does now have the commemorative floor mats matching shale and blue logo. Again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You'll be able to see pictures of the top up, top down. And we're going to slip the top up here before we end this video so you can take a peek at it too. Center dump exhaust. Sounds like it is stock. You can take a look at the underside pictures. Doesn't look like a lot of modifications have been done to this car, if any, with the exception of that windscreen, of course. All right, let's check out this interior a little bit closer. We're going to go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Of course, power windows, locks, mirrors, the memory seating. This does come with both key fobs also. There's your commemorative floor mats that have been installed. Leather on the seats, also nice shape. All right, let's fire this up. Check out the exact miles. Again, that LS1, 350 horse. There's your odometer, 46,915. Of course, heads-up display controls over here. AC does blow cold, by the way. Click that off. Driver's information center controls there. Should take a look at the dash. Again, that dual electronic climate control. Tell this car has been stored indoors. No warning indicators, anything like that on. Just the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. That light is on. All right. Slip around to the back of this car. Let you hear it run, and we'll check out the engine bay and convertible top. Now, nice sounding car. Again, what you'd expect out of a 04 Corvette. Nothing crazy over the top. I'm going to slip up to the front here. Give me 1 second. Let's see. We can do this easy enough. Of course, take a look at the hood liner. Tell this thing hasn't been driven in much, if any, inclement weather. Kind of a cool insignia up in the upper right of the hood there. 2004 model year. Hood liner, nice shape. And then take a look at the rest of this engine bay. Also nice, clean, and tidy. Slip around the other side so you can see it from this angle also. Smooth runner, sounds good. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, and we'll take both hands to get the convertible top up. Of course, that is a manual top. One person can do it from the driver's side right here, and it takes all of about 15 seconds, if that. And again, a piece of cake removing that windscreen, and that does help from the buffeting when you have the top down. So let me pause this a second and get that top up. Let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Top is up, and for fun, I actually just timed it. We have a clock back here with a second hand. 48 seconds, and that was removing the windscreen, taking that out, and getting a top up. So you can see shale cloth colored top, glass rear window with the frost, and there's no rips, tears, anything like that. It's going to keep you out of the sun or the wind and rain, whichever you would happen to need that top for when you flip it up. And again, very simple. No power, hydraulics, anything like that to go wrong. You can manually do it yourself. All right, so there's a shot at the top. These are the brackets I talked about. I just slipped the whole thing off. I'll take those brackets off before I put them back in the package. And put it in the trunk, and it will be shipped with the car for the next owner to enjoy. There you go, last year the C5 Commemorative Edition. Le Mans 24-hour Commemorative Edition. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call, number 507-386-1726.